In this video, we will look at the ordinal numbers, os números ordinais. They're called ordinal numbers because they're ways to put things in order, first, second, third, and so forth. What you will notice about the ordinal numbers in Portuguese is that they have a masculine form and a feminine form, depending on what you're describing. So, let's get started. We'll go first through 10th, and then explain some more from there. Here we go. First, primeiro, or if it's a feminine word that you're describing, primeira. Second, segundo, segunda. Third, terceiro, or terceira. Fourth, quarto, or quarta. Fifth, quinto, quinta. Sixth, sexto, sexta. Seventh, sétimo, sétima. Eighth, oitavo, oitava. Ninth, nono, nona. 10th, décimo, décima. All right, so that's first through 10th. Now, I'll give you a quick example. So if I say my first car, meu primeiro carro, right? My first car, because car is masculine, so it's primeiro, okay? If I say my first race, corrida, which is a feminine word, you'd say minha primeira corrida. All right, so again, if you're describing a masculine word, use the masculine form. Describing a feminine word, use the feminine form. Next, to say 11th, for example, you would say décimo primeiro or décima primeira. Literally, 10th first, right? So 10 plus 1, 11. There's where you get 11th. To say something like 15th, you'd say décimo quinto or décima quinta. Moving over to the chart on the right, to say 20th, you'd say vigésimo or vigésima. To say 22nd, for example, vigésimo segundo or vigésima segunda. All right. Now let's go every 10, right? To say 30th, trigésimo or trigésima. To say 40th, quadragésimo or quadragésima. These are mouthfuls, okay? But that's how you say these ordinal numbers in Portuguese. To say 50th, quinquagésimo or quinquagésima. 60th is sexagésimo or sexagésima. 70th is septuagésimo or septuagésima. 80th is kind of interesting because there's one way to mainly say it in Portugal and one way in Brazil. In Portugal, they'll say octogésimo or octogésima. In Brazil, they just changed that one little letter to octagésimo or octagésima. 90th, nonagésimo or nonagésima. 100th, centésimo or centésima. And 1000th is milésimo or milésima. So that's how you say ordinal numbers. It's kind of crazy, but just practice this. You know, my first birthday, meu primeiro aniversário. My 100th birthday, meu centésimo aniversário. Okay, things like that. So practice, 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 and you can do it.